Hello friends, this is Prashant Ranjan and welcome to my channel SDET-QA Test Automation. Today I'm going to start a new session on an automation tool called Nightwatch. So let's first see what is called Nightwatch. So I'm going in Google and type in search Nightwatch. Here is the first link. You can see that nightwatch.js.org. Okay, so you can see it here that end-to-end testing the easy way, the Nightwatch.js, right? So now here it is called browser automation. So what it means that any application that open in the browser, you can do the testing with the Nightwatch. Okay. Now come to this line. Nightwatch.js is an integrated, easy way to use end-to-end testing solution for web application and website, which is written in Node.js, right? And it uses the WebDriver API, right, to drive browser and perform command and assertion on the DOM elements. Okay, right. So we understand what is the Nightwatch is that it is written in the Node.js and it uses WebDriver W3C WebDriver API. Correct? So now what are all the requirements we have to use the Nightwatch API? Okay, so let's just see one by one. So first thing is that your system must have either JDK or JRE installed, which should be must either version 8 or later. Okay, so how you will get it? So just go to the Google and type download Java, right? JDK 8. Okay, and you will get it like that. Okay. So this is Java development kit. So I'm going to download this. Okay. I have 64-bit system, so I'm installing this. So let me check it. Yes. So it is, let it start downloading. Okay. It is asking me to create the account. Okay. I have already the account. You can create it and it will start the download. Okay. So here you can see that it is going to save into, I'm just downloading and very soon it is going to download it. Okay. So let it download this first. Okay, it is downloaded and I'm going to install this, right? So I'm just clicking this. I need to click on yes button and I will click next. Okay, so it is asking me to install in the program files, but basically I used to like to install in the different directory. Okay, so what I'm gonna do it, I'm going to a different directory in my system, which is under C, and I'm creating a new folder called my installed, sorry, program. Okay, and I'm going to install in this one. Okay, and inside that one I'm going to create a folder called Java. So you cannot do it, it's not required to do like that. I prefer to with this. Sometimes due to some restriction in the C drive, sometimes it keep the problem. So I don't want this problem, so I used to do like that. So it's not necessary for you to do like that. Okay, so for this is just my way to do it. Okay. So the Java is installing in my system. Let it wait for install it. Okay, now it is asking me to install the JRE. Again, I'm going to do in the same way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder called JRE, and it will install it here. Okay, so this is the C drive, my install program, JRE, and it will install it here. Okay, so the Java and JRE is installed in my system. So how I can make sure that it is installed? Okay, so I will open the command prompt, and what I can do it, I will type Java and type version. So it is telling that the Java is installed, right? So the version is telling, right? Here it is printing. But one more thing, important thing you have to do it. That is called the environment variable setting for the Java, right? So how you can do it? So let's see how you can do it. So where I have to go it? Just go to the just search for environment variable, edit environment setting variables, go to the environment variables, okay, and create a new variable here in the under system variables. You can create it like Java underscore home, okay, and what you have to do it where you have installed the Java. Don't go to inside this bin folder. Just go to the bin folder. Come out from here. Okay. Copy the path and paste it. Okay. This is the first part. The second part, what I have to do it. Go to the bin directory. Copy the path. Come to this path variable here. Edit it and paste it. Okay, here you can see that some common Oracle file Java path is there. I'm going to delete it. This is not required. This will make some issue. Okay, and I'm going to click it. Okay, so now my Java is configured in my system. Okay, now once the Java is installed in my system, what is next is required? The next thing required is next Node.js. So how you will get the Node.js is that just go to the Google and type it, download Node.js. Okay, you get the latest version for the Windows. I have the 64 version, so I will download the 64 version. If you have another system like Mac OS or Linux, based on that one you can install it. So I'm going to download the 64 version. Okay, so let it download it. Okay, and it downloaded. I'm going to install the Node.js. So again, I'm going to change the directory for the new Node.js. Again, this is not required for you. You can directly click on next one. This is for my purpose. I'm doing it. And just click on install. And you have to click for place. Okay, again, open the command prompt. So what you have to do, go it window ask and command prompt, type node and give version, and you can see that it is printing the version 16.13.1. Again, you have to set the path for the Node.js if it is not set in the environment variable. So again, I am going to search for the edit environment variable. And if you go to the path, and I will click on, sorry, edit environment variable. Okay. And here you can see that the Node.js path is already set it because while installing that Node.js, it automatically setting is there that it will go and set the environment variable path, right? Okay. The next is path. We have installed the Java, we have installed the Node.js. Now the next question is that where you will write the Node.js code, right? So for writing the Node.js code, you require some editor, right? Editor like anything where you can edit it like Notepad. Notepad is a editor, right? Notepad plus plus, right? But while using Notepad and Notepad plus plus, this will not going to help you much because these are not provide so many benefits to you so that you will write your code easily, right? So for writing the Node.js code, I prefer you to go for the Visual Studio Code. So how you will go get the Visual Studio Code? So you will get the Visual Studio Code from here. So what you have to write it, download Visual Studio Code. Okay. Here is I have user is you can see it there is user installer, there is system installer is there. What you have to do is just select the based on your version. I'm going to select the user installer 64-bit. Okay, it will download. Okay, let it download it. Okay, so my Visual Studio Code is downloaded. I'm going to install it. So what I have to do is I will accept the agreement. I will click on next button. Again, I'm going to do it like I'm going to install my Visual Studio Code in my system where I have created a folder. Okay, so let me go to the C drive, my install program. I will create a folder called Visual Studio Code. Okay, and I hope if I this time browse it, it should show me. So my install yes, PSC. I will click on next. Create a desktop pro icon. I will click on next button and I will click on install. Okay, so my all setup is done. Till now we have done it like I have installed the Visual Studio Code, I have installed the Node.js, I have installed the Java, right? So let's open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, and I have created a new folder called Nightwatch workspace. Now, what I have to do it, I have just installed the Visual Studio Code. I have just installed the Node.js and I have just installed the Java. Okay. So now let's see what all we can do with the Visual Studio Code. So first thing you have to understand about the terminal. So if you click on the new terminal, here you can see that there is a terminal is there, right? You can see a lot of terminal is there. There is a PowerShell. This is the default. Even you can open the command prompt terminal. Okay, so here it is. This is a command prompt terminal is there, right? So what I can do it, I can write the same command whatever I show you. If I write like node version, you can get the version here. Same like if I get the type the Java version, I will get the Java version here, right? Okay. So till here I came here. Now what I have to do is I have to start a new project for the Nightwatch, right? If I have to work on a Nightwatch, still there is nothing is there. It is fresh. I have nothing not done anything. So what I have to do is I have to start a new project. So how I can do it? So once you install the Node.js, there is a package come automatically with the Node.js that is called npm. And what is this npm stand for? So let's Google it and understand this what is called npm. Okay, So the npm is basically called Node Package Manager. Okay, npm is the default package manager for the JavaScript runtime environment Node.js. Okay, so with the help of Node npm, what you can do it, just see it here. Okay, so now first let me create a blank project with the help of npm. So how we can do it? So you can do it with the help of what you can do it, right? npm, you can write init. Okay, and hit enter. So let's see what it will do it. Okay, right? It is asking you the package name. So I'm just giving it like, leave it like the package name as Nightwatch workspace. If you want to change it, you can change it. So I'm giving like same like Nightwatch tutorial. Okay, I have to give the version. I'm just giving it the version. Description. This is Nightwatch tutorial. Entry point, leave it for now. Test command, leave it for now. Git repository, leave it for now. Keywords, again leave it for now. Author, I can give my name. You can give yours also. License, I can give like, you can give whatever MIT or ISC. Let's suppose I am giving MIT. Now it is telling that you have entered this information. It is okay. If it is okay, just click yes and hit enter. Okay. Now, here you can see that as soon as I have hit enter, a package.json is automatically created. And this package.json has all this information whatever I have entered here. Okay. Again, it is asking me to update the npm. Okay, and it is giving me the option how to do that one. So what I'm going to do that I'm going to install update it to next version. Okay, let me do that. Okay, so this is all installed, right? So till now whatever we have seen it, we have started a fresh project with the help of npm. Still we have not used the Nightwatch. Nothing we have used it, right? So few things is there that is not my required right now, which is like a scripts, main, and leave it like that. Okay. Later we will discuss where, and how we can use it. Okay. Right now it's just a blank thing, the packet.json, and nothing it is. It is a blank thing right now. Now I'm stopping this session for timing because it will be again going to be a big session. From the next session, I will tell you how to install the Nightwatch and start writing the test for the Nightwatch. Slowly, we will go deeper into that one. So thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.